Yeah. Okay. Interesting. Why does my asset folder look like that? Right. Am I working in the wrong folder? Right. I'm working in the wrong folder. Great. Wonderful stuff. Right. What a simpleton. Okay. So let's actually work from the right folder. So stupid. Anyway, good thing I didn't do anything extensive. What would the logo? What would I call the logo? Don't know. Uh, what did I call the logo? I don't know. All right, let me look at my explore because I won't have a chance. Let's leave you. Um, oh, bro, can't find the folder. All right, let me change the name of this. Okay, cool. Renamed it. Should be fine now. Uh, I am building a microsite for Chanel like products. Um, this is currently the template. I've only just started. If this that's my template. But yeah, I'm just gonna make like a microsite for Chanel products. So yeah. That is said. Hmm, why can I not see stuff? Is it close? Yeah. I was attached to the wrong file. I was attached to the wrong file. I was attached to the wrong file. Oh, thank you for the follow and thanks for the likes too. Okay, so my logo is massive, so I need to shrink that down. Kids, remember to continue to practice to code or you forget what you've learned. So logo, hmm, okay. Well, if I put a class, okay, 200 is a bit too big. So how about one? One is cool. And let's put it at the top corner. If I want to put it at the top corner, what would I do? Um, what would I do? If I want to put it at the top corner, uh, sorry, just gone blank. And I'm looking at this mic, it's still not picking up. Mic check, mic check, mic check. Still not picking up anything nice. I don't know what you want from me. I don't know what you want from me. I don't know what you want from me. Want from me. Want from me. Want from me. Oh no, it's just my OBS isn't picking up my audio. So yeah, it's kind of annoying. TikTok's fine because I'm using the TikTok app, but for streaming, OBS isn't picking up my mic. So, oh no, now it is. Okay, cool. Fair enough. There we go. Now, let's get back to the coding. So, let's put this. Am I playing? What do I need to play with? The positioning. No, what the hell? Uh, I don't like the sound. I don't like the song. Let's go next. Max B. Okay, so oh, I forgot how to put how to remove this. What the hell? I don't want to look anything up because that's gonna really annoy me. Uh, Damn it! Come on, Joey. Okay, I just need to. Oh, whatever, man. I'm just gonna look. Wait, position. Haha! I remembered. There we go. See, sometimes you just need to give yourself 5 seconds to think. and then all right, let's make this just a tiny bit smaller. Just. Mm, yeah, we'll leave it like that. And then it's, yeah, it's fine. That's fine. Now, just want to add my functionality to the actual logo. So when I click the logo, it will um it will make the window container here. So dot dot no, yeah, it is dot. Okay, and then my ID. Well, it's not doesn't have an ID, so it will be query. That being said, yeah, of course. I told him it's music. Okay. So I just need to add event listener, which is gonna be a double click. Double click. Is it the full word or League of Open? I don't play League of Legends. I use Scrimba. So yeah, I tried it. I tried Odin projects in the past. Nothing wrong with it. It just wasn't for me. I absolutely adore Scrimba because it's actually got an interface which allows you to code whilst you learn. So yeah. I done double click on. Just wanted to check. Yeah, I can't. It's been a good year or so since I looked at Odin Project. I can't recall exactly what my issue was with it, but yeah, it just didn't do it for me. Yeah, I think yeah, coding, yeah, everyone learns differently, so yeah, it depends on you. Ultimately, as long as you do the work, that's the main thing. Are you a coder then? So when I double click, ah, let me actually check this thing works. And we are connected. It works perfectly fine. So what do we want this to do? When I actually double click it, I want it to make the window container appear. So window container dot display. Uh, huh? No, it's style display. Style display. Is it? Oh, bro. Why did put it down? Bro, this is for me. Is it style display or display? Oh, brother, well done. How long you been in the game? He doesn't like this. I actually think I might be doing this the wrong way around. It is style display, so why is this keeping autocorrecting some weird thing? Bro, you're getting on my damn nerve. Okay, something's slowing down on my computer. 10 years. Oh, no problem. It's really late, man. I appreciate the conversation anyway. She was nice. Good. Huh? Mini mice. Mini. Is that not, that don't look right. Hold on. Oh, that looks so strange. Oh, bro, I've already written it down. Hang on, written in span. Do you know what? I don't need it for this project, so I'm not gonna do that. Query select all. Place button. Let's add an event listener to the close button, which will be a single click event function will just be to close the window. Style. So it didn't trouble me that time. Okay. No, you didn't like that. Why didn't you like that? Well, let's make sure. Didn't work because this one's not connected properly. That's fine. Hmm? Hold on. There's something wrong. Ah, my fault. You good. Nice. Okay, perfect. All the buttons are working there. Okay, what's next on the list? What else do I need to do? Let's go back to the readme. I actually don't know what I want it to look like. Alright, let's put just want to put another logo in the center of the actual. Alright, cool. Ah, um, I'm always so bad at naming stuff. I think the width for this will be so much smaller. Actually, that's the exterior. What size do I want this? Let's try 100. Maybe a little bit bigger. Okay, I don't know how big I want this. I'm not sure how big I want this. I think that's okay. I'll take that. And then let's add the products. Oh, excuse me. Yeah, let's get the products and then we'll go from there. Uh, I always forget what we're on. Is it this fig? I'm only getting used to fig captions. Trying to remember how it works. Do a quick Google fig caption. Yeah, so fig captions goes inside the figure. Okay, cool. And then yeah, it'll just be below the actual image in itself. Okay, fine. To be fair, could have worked out. I should have just trusted my gut. I think I've got quite a few products. Oh, the naming of this stuff is it's quite a nuisance. It's gonna be a pain. Hmm. Okay, let's do that. Let's just add a let's, uh, I'm gonna have to use a grid, I think, for this one. I'm not very good at grids. Uh, Let me just put some properties to this image. Just don't really that symmetry. I think I want to do three across. Is that central? Bro, that logo does not seem central. Wait, what? Oh, that's confusing. Why is it going right next to it? Alright, let's make this bigger, but Why is that done that? It's just the info box, bro. Where are you, info box? Flex. Hmm? What the hell? Oh, this is like, this is right. I don't like this. Is it this? Where is my content box? Is that something that's redundant? Possibly. This is okay. God, what am I doing wrong? My brain's completely signed up. Just listening to music at this point. Bro, this is annoying me. Is it this? Alright, so I worked that out. Um, you know what? It's essentially I've put in flex, but I might actually have to put it in grid. Let me show you. So I want this logo to stay there and then essentially have rows of product after. So I'm thinking I might actually have to use grid rather than flex. Can't remember how to use grids. How would I do it with Flex? To be fair, I need to get used to using grids because I personally think this makes more sense with a grid, but I'm just not comfortable with grids. But I also can't figure out how to do it with Flex, so I guess I might as well look into how to do it with a grid. That yeah. So I just yeah, I want the logo to stay here and then want 3 rows of product and then just going down. Oh, the code, sorry. So I think obviously this is the issue. I'm thinking, do I take it out? I appreciate the help, by the way. Okay, I add, okay, okay, I see, I see. Alright, okay. Let me- Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. It looks like it works. Ah, but wait, when I go to it, hold on. Let me see what happens when I put 4. Ah, so now what do we do? What did you say? You wanted see this is why I said oh grid makes sense because I don't think I've done I probably have done this with Flex before, but I just can't remember how to. set a different row. Um, oh, sorry. That's what it looks like. Oh, so I need it to be in rows of three. So if you can see, it's in rows of four, and obviously it cuts it off. So yeah, I just need rows of three, and then next line three, next line. And it's so annoying because I've done this before, but I can't recall how I've done it. Well, yeah, that's what I thought. I thought to use grid as well, but I'm not comfortable with grid. Ah, I make another section. Um, okay, interesting. Uh, so, oh, okay, cool. First, I guess that works. Uh, using Flexbox set width to 33. Okay, so so in the future, I would just on the Flex on that particular Flex container, I would actually set a width to the container in this instance is the products. Is that correct? Well, actually, let's hold on. Let me test it. So say 3.3. Hmm, is this what you mean? Is this what you mean? Nah, I mean it still looks like this. So I don't know. I don't know if I'm missing something. Sorry, M7, what do you say? How I would do this is make a bigger container, the holds three containers. Okay. Inspect each product. So I think, yeah, definitely this is a job for um grid because it seems rather tedious in Flexbox. What I'm trying to do, essentially, I figured it out. M7 helped me figure out, but I just wanted to make three products here, and then the next one, three products. That's essentially. But I just wanted to establish the way to do it with Flexbox. I know probably preferred in this instance is grid, but yeah, I'm just trying to establish how to do it with Flex right now. As I suggested, the width with a 33.3%, but it didn't work. So no, no, for sure, grid is better, but I still want to know to understand how to do it in Flex. What? You've never used grid? Fair enough, man. Fair enough. To be fair, that's I did see like somebody make a statement. Most people use or overuse Flex and they don't know enough about grid. So I think for me, I don't want to be one of those developers. I want to make sure I know how to use Flex and grid, even though they pretty much can both work. No, I'm so sorry. I'm confused. So my Flex container has to be 100% cool, fine, and then the the width of my Flex items. So my Flex items have to be 33. Okay, cool. All right. So maybe I'll get it then. My Flex item is the products image. Okay, cool. So I actually attached it to the wrong thing. Is that Flex Frog? Okay. I'm gonna put that somewhere. Flexbox Froggy. Okay, cool. Yeah, just Googled it. Yeah, I'll play that at some point. Thank you for that suggestion. I appreciate that. I actually need to bookmark this somewhere. I mean, I'm trying, man. I'm trying. I've seen a lot of devs on TikTok, but a lot of them are either like really into AI or they've been in the game for years. Whereas I'm complete beginner. Even though I've been trying to learn for a year, I think this is I've been trying to learn for a year and a bit. Um, oh, sorry. What am I working on? I'm essentially working on like a microsite uh for some Chanel products. But yeah, in regards to like coding on TikTok, there's so many like people who have been in the game for a while. So I was just like, you know what? Let me just get my feet wet. Yeah, I think most definitely like coding is all about experimenting. Like people always have do this, do that, do this, do that, but yeah, you ultimately learn by figuring out how to learn. Like coding is one of the weirdest things to learn, honestly. There's so much trial and error. Oh, what's your bag? Are you a tailwind person? Yeah, no, I completely understand why people love tailwind. But I'm gonna learn tailwind at some point, but I still think it's important for me to grasp um grasp things. Oh, what the hell? I mean, yeah, it's that. Oh yeah, no, no, no. I don't jump into any frameworks until like I fully understand stuff. Be it CS, CSS, JavaScript. Yeah, I won't go past that stage till like I fully comprehend. Because before I've listened to people and they say like, oh, you can just like brute force your way into like things that React, bro. No way, no way you can't. Tailwind is fairly easy to understand. Um, CSS is fine. I think CSS is like it's rather descriptive. Um, and Tailwind is like all abbreviations and stuff. I don't feel like it's that deep, that much of a difference personally. Yeah, because I did do Tailwind before. I have used Tailwind, but Tailwind says so. Yeah, I think recently actually they actually updated CSS and they've added this new functionality called like anchor positioning and something like that. So it's quite intriguing. Let me sort these images now. Oh, damn, the naming conventions are rubbish. Oh, bro, I need to container sizing. Oh, I'm not familiar with container sizing actually. I guess that's the funny thing for me. Like, there's so much new stuff that comes in. I'm still learning, so like for me, it doesn't mean anything to me. Wait, what? My images are in a figure element. Okay, cool. And these. Ah, of course. Ah, bravo. Well done for clocking on. Um, um, okay, hold on. Let me test this out. Mm, nice. Still didn't. Thank you for the follow, sir. No problem. It's really late, man. It's really late. I understand. Nah, Ben, it still didn't work, you know. Because what you're saying does make sense, but I don't understand why it didn't work. Because yeah, like you said, wait, where's my section? Oh, no, yeah, my section's here. Yeah, you are right. 'Cause the figure should be. Hmm, I don't know. Uh, so I need to organize these product images. Uh, Sorry, I'm just sorting out the names for these images just to make it easier for me to find them whilst I'm coding. I think that should be okay. Alright, so let's go from here. You know what? I don't really like the gap between these. Wow. What do I need to arrange? Nope. Wrong thing. Oh, you are actually. I just realized I made the logo disappear somehow. Ah, it was that. Or wait, was it gap? There we go. Mm. So the gaps between these are actually kind of big, and I don't know why. No, it's the endless. What is it? I can't remember which one it was. Oh, thank you, man. I appreciate it. Uh, what is it that I can never remember? It's Nemesis. I mean, I'm a novice. That's all I know. So, but thank you. I mean, I'm trying my best to truly learn fundamentals and then go from there. Because I've tried to skip all of that before, and yeah, it didn't work well. Yeah, yeah, definitely no skipping. Definitely no skipping. A lot of people used to say like, "Oh, just learn React. Oh, just learn Tailwind." Nah. Oh, gee, you know what? Yeah, there's a massive, there's these gaps between here, and I'm just like, what the hell's going on? So I'm just trying to figure out if it's a margin in regards to, yeah, I'm just trying to figure out which one has the margin, which one doesn't. It's not that. S. SCSS. What is that about? I've seen that. No, this isn't. This is JavaScript, not C++. plus plus. Yeah, the gaps between the images. That's what I'm trying to sort out, and I just can't figure out what is it that's affecting it. Nah. Uh, trying to figure out what to Google. Oh, that was it. Images are set to inline items or inline elements. Sorry. So what is it? Do I need to make a block? Uh, no. So what do I set as? Man, I think I tried that. Yeah, I did try that. Each item. Yeah, I think I tried that as well. Yeah, didn't work. I'm just gonna put it everywhere just to see what happens and figure out which one is stressing me out. Mm, nah, none of them much. Damn it. What am I doing wrong? What am I doing wrong? Oh, oh. All right, negative margin. I thought it was bad to do negative margins. That's interesting. That's not working. Well, it does help if I put freaking action up. Hmm. That just collapses that. So putting a negative margin on my product image worked, but I know negative margin isn't the way to go about it. It's something to do with image elements themselves. Because I'm just reading online something about images being set to default inline items. This is driving me insane. What the hell? Bro, this is driving me nuts. What the hell? You know what? I'm gonna call it quits for tonight. Because this is actually really annoying me. Um, yeah, I think I just need to turn off my computer screen for a bit so I can figure this out. Because I've dealt with this before, so I don't know why this has been such a pain. Um, but I'll probably jump back on tomorrow. Don't know what time. But yeah, thank you all for your help. I really appreciate it. Hope you have a good evening.